On April 1, 2023, the Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki tweeted that Poland will manufacture and sell 100 Rosomak 8x8 wheeled armored vehicles to Ukraine. The purchase of these military vehicles will be funded by the European Union and the US. According to the SIPRI Arms Trade Database, Poland has provided the Ukrainian armed forces with various military equipment since the beginning of the conflict in Ukraine. These include 24 Dozer B, 18 Crab 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzers, 14 Leopard 2A 4-main battle tanks, 1,000 Piorin manpads portable air defense missile systems, 20 PT-91 Tuardi MBT, 290 T-72 M1 MBT, and 150 Warmate loitering munitions. As reported by the Army Recognition editorial team on July 24, 2022, Poland and Ukraine have entered into an agreement for the supply of 60 Crab 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzers worth 650 million euros, which will be funded by the European Union. This contract indicates Poland's dedication to reinforcing its military assistance to Ukraine and simultaneously enhancing its domestic production of military equipment. The Rosomak that is planned to be sold by Poland to Ukraine is an 8x8 wheeled armored personnel carrier that is manufactured in Poland and has wheels instead of tracks. The Rosomak is the Polish name, which means Wolverine in English. It is based on the design of the Finnish Patria AMV. In 2003, Poland obtained a license from Finland's Patria to manufacture the APC domestically, with adaptations tailored to the Polish Armed Forces specifications. The Polish defense company Wojskowe Zakłady Mechaniczne, or WZM, is the main producer of the Rosomak APC. The manufacturing of this vehicle commenced in 2004, and the initial units were supplied to the Polish military in 2007. The Rosomak is famous for its mobility, protection, and firepower, as well as its capability to operate in urban as well as off-road surroundings. Its flexible design allows for effortless customization and adjustment to diverse mission demands. This adaptable vehicle is used for multiple functions such as troop transportation, reconnaissance, and combat support. The Rosomak armored vehicle can hold a crew of 3 comprising a driver, a commander, and a gunner, with room for up to 8 to 10 fully equipped infantry soldiers depending on the specific model and layout. The rear troop compartment can accommodate up to 8 fully equipped infantrymen. There are various entry points to access the vehicle, including a power-operated rear ramp located at the back of the vehicle and roof hatches for the crew and infantry. The Rosomak is made up of 3 primary segments, which include the power pack situated in the front right, the driver's location in the front left, and a sizable rear area designated for the troop compartment. To ensure the safety of the crew and troops inside, the Rosomak APC offers a high level of protection. The hull of the AMV is composed of all-welded steel construction and provides its passengers with protection against small arms fire, shell fragments, and landmines. Its armor can also be equipped with an extra layer of passive armor to meet mission-specific requirements. The add-on armor can be enhanced to protect against larger caliber weapons and heavier anti-tank weapons, such as RPG. In addition, the Rosomak armored personnel carrier has a nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system installed to protect its occupants from contamination by such hazards. It is also equipped with smoke grenade launchers that can create a smoke screen to hide the vehicle. The typical configuration of the Rosomak armored vehicle includes a turret or a remote-operated weapon station that can be fitted with various types of armaments. The most commonly used turret on the Rosomak IFV is the Otto Melara Hitfist 30P, an Italian-made turret designed to hold medium-caliber cannons. The main armament of the Rosomak is a 30mm automatic cannon that is effective against different types of targets, including enemy infantry, light armored vehicles, and fortified positions. The autocannon can fire different types of ammunition, such as armor-piercing, high-explosive, and tracer rounds. Apart from the primary cannon, the turret of the Rosomak is also equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun that can be used for close-range engagements and suppression of enemy infantry. To improve its capability to engage and defeat heavily armored targets, the Rosomak can be equipped with anti-tank guided missiles. The Rosomak vehicle is propelled by a diesel engine, usually a Scania Di-12 or DC-13, which provides sufficient power and torque for efficient propulsion. These engines are known for their dependability and fuel efficiency, contributing to the vehicle's overall performance and range. The 8x8 wheeled setup of the Rosomak provides exceptional mobility, enabling it to traverse different types of terrain with ease. This configuration provides excellent maneuverability and off-road capabilities, making the Rosomak a versatile option for a variety of missions. Currently, information regarding the agreement to supply 100 Rosomak vehicles to Ukraine is limited. The president of PGZ Group, which is the parent company of Rosomak SA, Sebastian Chwalik, mentioned in a TV interview with Polsat News that the vehicles can be delivered in different versions. It is apparent that the final specifications have not yet been established. Depending on the agreement, the Polish industry may provide manned or unmanned turrets for Rosomak equipped with 30mm guns, as well as remote-controlled weapon stations with machine guns and specialized equipment such as medevac, recovery, and C2. There have also been rumors about the possibility of Ukraine acquiring RAK self-propelled mortars, which were developed by HSW, a subsidiary of PGZ. These mortars are equipped with the Topaz C2 system, which has already been successfully used in Crab howitzers in Ukraine. It would be advantageous for some of the APC to be equipped with RAK mortars, as they are already in mass production for the Polish Army and have received positive feedback from Polish Army units. Meanwhile, EOS, an Australian company, has disclosed that it has been contracted to provide up to 100 of its heavy RWS to Ukraine, including related services and spares, with Spets Techno Export, a Ukrainian firm, being the ordering party. Deliveries are planned for 2023 and 2024, and the number of RWS ordered is comparable to the number of vehicles announced by Mateusz Morawiecki. EOS has various remote weapon stations, such as the R400S, which is used on the Bushmaster vehicle provided to Ukraine, as well as the R600S and R800S, which can accommodate heavier weapons up to and including 30 by 173mm Bushmaster 2 guns. Above all, it is worth noting that the most recent report from Army Recognition states that Polish President Andrzej Duda confirmed the sale of 150 Rosomak 8x8 armored personnel carriers to Ukraine during Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's visit to Poland on April 5th. This announcement follows a prior report that Poland had agreed to supply Ukraine with 100 Rosomak 8x8 armored vehicles. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.